Hello friends, my name is Manoj and today video will talk about Kubernetes. What is Kubernetes and how we can use that. So from the previous video you understand about the containers or the Docker. So for a reference we'll again discuss what is a container. Container is a nothing but the OS minus kernel plus the application that you need. Okay, so this whole thing is known as container. So what happened, let's suppose this container is running on a node. Okay, so this is your node 1 and it is running here. So what if, let's suppose at this time we have one user. Okay, so it is handling this thing, but what if we have, let's suppose 1500 users at same time and this and they are accessing this container. So at that time this container cannot handle that workload very efficient. So what it can also do, it can create another container inside this and they can split the task, like I will handle 750 user, you will handle 750 user. But what if this node fails? Then the whole system will be down, no one can access any data. So that the reason we have a multiple node environment. Okay, so let's suppose this is node 1, this is node 2 and this is node 3. Name it node 1, node 2 and this is node 3. So we have one container over here, we have one container over here and we have one container over here. When we have one user, so it can be easily handled by this node. So when we have, let's suppose 100 user, then few of user will redirected to node 2, and if we have, let's suppose lots of user, then it will redirected to node 3. But these containers are not inbuilt in there. There's like whenever needed that we need another container in node 2, then only it will create it, otherwise it won't scale. So it's that. So let's suppose again we have less user on this accessing this application, then this node 3 container will delete. So that's how it scale and scale down. And this node 1, node 3, this type of architecture is known as cluster. You can also say that cluster is a group of node is known as cluster. You can name it like that. And this, and what is Kubernetes? So Kubernetes is nothing but scale up and scale down automating scale up and scale down of containerized application or containers. Application is known as Kubernetes. So this is all about the Kubernetes, and this management is known as like when the service need to be scaled up and when the service need to be scaled down, this all thing will be done by the Kubernetes. Okay, so I hope you understand lots about the Kubernetes. In upcoming video we'll talk about other DevOps related stuff, so you can stay tuned to my channel. You can subscribe if you like. If you have any further query, you can write down to the description. If you have something else to share, you can reach out to me over Twitter. I will more than happy to check with you. Okay, so thanks. We'll get back to you in next video.